In this video today, I'll show you how you can get paid per click. It is a very easy strategy that anyone can set it up from anywhere in the world. If you want to make it work, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you won't end up confused and lost. But just before we start, as always, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel, Aidonemia's World, and hit the notification bell on so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up. With that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. The very first step is to go over to YouTube and you need to search for videos like motivational videos, just like I did here, and you're going to see here a lot of results. It's going to give you a lot of videos related to that. And something that you'll notice is that they are very popular. You're going to see this one here has got more than 51 millions of views and so on. So what I want you to do for now is to just pick 3 out of all of these videos, and you're going to leave it like this for the moment, because we are going to proceed with the other platform for today, because I'm going to show you 3 platforms that you can combine in order to make money online. The first thing that I want to show you are the payment proofs of that platform that it's going to pay you today, and you're going to see here that people from all around the world are getting paid really good money online through their preferred payment method, as you can see here. Someone has made $250, someone has made $15, $35, or even $5. So they are getting paid every single day, and I want you to keep watching so you can know exactly how to set it up correctly and you can start making money with this platform. And this platform is called UII.io, as you can see. You can earn money, you can get paid by every visitor who visits your URL. So you're going to just create an account on here, shorten your links, and you're going to earn money. So you're going to earn money whenever someone click on your shortened links. And it works like this. When they click on it, people are going to get redirected first to some ads, and then they can skip them, they can go to the landing page, and then you're going to get paid because people clicked on your link. It's easy as that. And I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So they offer a low minimum payout. You just need to reach $5 in order to require your payment. They offer the highest rates. You can also check them out by yourself by going here on Payout Rates. You're going to see that depending on the country that the clickers are from, you're going to make the most money per 1,000 views. If someone is from United Kingdom, the clicker is from United Kingdom, you're going to make $6 per 1,000 views. If the clickers are from Australia, $6, and so on and so forth. If you scroll down, you're going to see that it says worldwide deal, all countries. So this is available from all around the world, and you can share it with people from all around the world. What you need to do first is just to click on the sign up free button so you can create an account for absolutely free. In the next page, you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, re-enter the password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on the register button. And then this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Here you can check your total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Right now it says $0, of course, because I created this account for the purpose of this tutorial, so you can see exactly how you can make it from scratch. So all you need to do on here is, in order to start making money, is to click on your shorten link, so you can start shortening links on here and share them with people. As you may have guessed now, what you need to do is to shorten the links from the videos that you got before that I said you at the beginning of this video. So the 3 videos that I showed you before. So for example, if you want to go for the first one, you just need to copy the link of this video, then go over to the dashboard. You're going to paste the link here and click on shorten. And then what you can do is to create a document here on Google Docs, just like this one. You're going to see here that I've titled it Powerful Motivational Speeches, Focus on Yourself, and then you can write, you can watch these videos here and then paste the links over here. So I've done it with the first 2 ones, so I'm going to show you how you can do it for the 3rd one. So all you need to do is to get the link of one video, for example this one, and then go over to your dashboard, click on your shorten link, paste the link over here just like this, click on shorten, and then it's going to give you immediately your UII shorten link. You need to click on this box here so you can copy it. And then all you need to do is to go back to your Google Docs document, and you're going to paste it right here as a link. So I'm going to click on link and paste the link in here, and it's going to look like this. As you can see, you have your document on here, and what you need to do right now is just to save this document. You need to go over to file and then go over to download, and you need to download this as a PDF document. So we want it as a PDF document. Once you do that, you're going to have it immediately on your computer, and when you get this PDF file, you need to share it. So you need a platform that is going to help you with all the traffic. You need a platform that you can find people to click on your link so you can make money again and again, and also in passive income, because you're going to share this once, you're going to set this up once, and then you're going to enjoy your profit. So what you can use is a free traffic source, and it's going to be this platform here called slideshare.net. You're going to see here that on this platform people come to share different articles related to anything. You have this one here with more than 1 million of views, this one with more or almost 5 million of views, 11 millions of views, and so on and so forth. So these articles are very popular on this platform, and this means that you can get a lot of people to see your article and you can make a lot of money. But what you need to do is to click on the upload button up here, and then in the next page you're going to see that you can select files to upload. Of course, you're going to upload the PDF document that we downloaded before with the 3 links on it. And you need to create an account here first for absolutely free by clicking in the sign up button here. And once you upload your file on here, it's going to be shown to millions of people over here, because this platform is very popular, as we mentioned before, and is being visited by more than 100 millions of people on a monthly basis. You can check that out even by yourself over to similarweb.com. So it is a great strategy to make money online per click. All you need to do is to create an account for absolutely free here on uii.io. You're going to shorten links, and in this case I shortened those YouTube videos, those motivational videos, and then you're going to get each link. You're going to create a document like this one over at docs.google.com, and you're going to save it as a PDF file. And then you're going to have your article with the 3 links on it. If you want to, you can add more links, of course. And you're going to use slideshare.net as a traffic source, because people come here to see and read different articles, PDFs, or even Word document, and so on and so forth. So like this, you're going to target a lot of people, and of course you can even add text, so you can target people that will be interested in clicking on your link, people that want to see motivational videos, so you can help them with something, and also they are going to help you with making money online. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, Edin Emia's World, with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.